This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel, See the World Through Tanvir Kazmi. A very important discussion I want to talk about is the use of drugs and sleeping medicines, and that is causing a major issue in the society. I remember not only the news media continue to discuss that why people are start using too much and what's the cause. Same thing I remember one of the doctors we were sitting around, and they were definitely talking about a female lady, and she was around 70 plus or 80. They say they're using for 43 years cough syrup, and she has cough is not going away from the last 43 years. And then finally found out that she needs a cough syrup, which makes her sleep very fast. That's causing her a lot of side effects. So, and also I see because my many close doctors friends of the use of drugs and all this regularly to sleep and having trouble with sleeping or having some issues, anxiety or many other issues. So I was thinking to share the knowledge why what God has done something wrong that we need a temporary something to sleep, or our anxiety or stress comes, and then we have to take some artificial measure to satisfy our issues. What I think here, as I said always in my different videos, that our Creator has given us the way He designed us, created us from a sperm drop, a very tiny drop, and our life as a test is a very short life, and also put some needs so our bodies stay alive for a certain period of years. So first of all, them, as I said earlier, all with many more videos, is water. We need we need food. We need shelter. We can sleep. We need some clothes to wear to look nice, and breathing for the air, fresh air, and so those are has become a part of our life. Same thing. God has put our into force us into us is as a sexual desire to male and female relationship, which give us also very pleasurable, and also our relationship with the parents, neighbors, community, our friends. They all give us very pleasure and give us satisfy. We feel very happy because we are social animals. We are not other animals. Their objective is just to eat each other. They don't sit along. Their objective is how to feed and how can I kill and feed and satisfy my stomach. But we are a social animal, mean we created the best creation. Our objective was to rule the entire universe after God created Adam and say everybody to bow down in front of him so he can rule the entire universe. So we are not normal animals. We cannot live the way they live. Why a person, a child or a adult person, a male or female, who they lived a very best life, a top quality engineers or architectures or professors or doctors, anybody who is serving entire or a mechanic who live and serve the entire community, and then suddenly they have to start taking medicine. Why does this? Why they have to become depressed? So it clearly, if you see here, the human needs, when I don't drink water for 2 3 days, my body start feeling pressurized. I cannot do focus on any work. Same thing when I do not eat and I try to give lecture, I cannot. My body will complain and ask me to first feed me. Same thing when we do not have a companionship as our committed relationships, or parents' roles, or our neighbor roles, community roles, and friendship roles where we don't have, then we feel alone, and then we feel we do not feel a desire to live, or we don't feel like it's a very enjoyable life. Even we have millions of dollars, if we have thousands of cars sitting in front of my backyard or something, I have many everything, but if I lose any of my relationship, any need I need, I will feel empty. We will feel empty. That's why it's very important. All major holy books continue guiding us to focus on your relationships, your behavior. We should not speak loud. We should respect each other. Make sure to give immediately in committed relation with your daughters and your sons. Do not delay too much because they need it, and do not control your food. Share it. Everything is commanded to us that anything which less will create trouble, and those people can not only suffer themselves, they can also commit crime to make that happen what they need. So it's our state's responsibility, world's responsibility, leaders, community, parents, mosques, temples, or churches, responsibility to sit down and find a solution that no one leave behind. Every person not only have food, water, everything, they must have a companion, a legal, a partnership companion to immediately after they need puberty. After 13 years, I said in many of my videos that your body force you to start looking around. A woman starts feeling attracting young girls to the male, and the male start feeling attracting. So that's a good thing. They cannot live. They have seeds to multiply. We cannot stop that. It has been forced to us. We need to recognize this and find out a legal way, a better way, so that can everybody feel enjoyable. We are doing everything else, but we are not doing this. It's not possible to live without committed relationship, sleep around, and adultery. That has caused major issues, and you cannot do this because you need this relationship every day, every night. When we sleep, that warm body give us comfortable to each other. We cannot allow that temporary benefit relationship and girlfriend or boyfriend dating that has more difficult and less benefit. Few minutes of benefit, but it takes years, it takes months to or weeks to find a person, and then that person disappears. We need to stop that. It's not allowed any holy books. So humanity fails because of that. We need to bring state need to provide support that the man, if want to have more female relationship, so the state can help the man for a bigger family find a solution instead of dating around and parents suffering and girls getting pregnant without father and the child say who's my father, and they become angry and rebellious in society, and we want to fill up the jail. We want to fill up the jail. All are doing wrong. You're spending billions of dollars to fill up the jails, but you're not spending billions of dollars to provide them what they need. The children, when they grow, a man grows, a woman grows, a widow, a divorcee, they all need a human companions. If you cannot find a single, be a part of bigger family. All major holy books we have to accept. Even any religion were allowed man and women, man to have more relationships, committed relationships, open, sincere, bigger families, more children. That way, it was very best system. We have to come back if you want that sick society to go. When we take drugs, when we take sleep artificially, that medicine have million side effects. We lose our health, we lose our confidence. We cannot rule the universe. Universe is very big. There are trillions of planets waiting for you to lead. God is not giving you the leadership role because we are failing in this. We have a true enemy, Satan, the devil, who is failing us. He does not like our become rulers. Let's become ruler to the universe again. Produce more children so we can more planets will come and God will send our children to those. He has commanded entire everybody, jinns and angels, to bow in front of Adam, our father, first human on the earth, to bow and accept his superiority. We are superior for entire universe. To prove that, don't take drugs or medicines to sleep. You need to do more work. If you have more daughters, give to marriage to immediately the people. Give them. If you have more sons, is sitting there, let them marry anybody. If widow divorcee, do not stay alone because your body needs satisfaction. God say when man or female meet together, they feel tranquility, they feel peace. That heat comes from both body. They gives them great benefit and peace. Let's go that God's way. Let's become again the best entire universe under one God, one people together, and feel that the state has to play their roles instead of spending billions of dollars to waste and killing each other. They should have spent billions of dollars to make houses, to make food available, free food available, make everybody work, and all the children and all the male and female happy. They should not live single at all. It is not it is commanded strictly. Do not stay single. Find somebody. If you have an existing man, it's okay to share. You can enjoy more instead of sitting alone. It's very, very beneficial to humanity. There is no other way to succeed. alone and finding your own way, you will fail. Satan will succeed, and you know that what's next life is very very painful in a planet or very highly palaces. So let's move for that direction. Let's give our Creator a peace of mind and happiness that we are following His law because He loves us. He giving us free water, food, and houses, children, giving us. We have to follow His command. So accept this that we cannot allow our dating or secret lovers. This does nothing except spend so much money and for just a small benefit. Every home should have major families, bigger families, live together, committed relationship, and then you have ultimate pleasure forever. Let's come back to God's way. This is the way we succeed. We are not we are not any country name. We are one family, entire universe. Let's come to His path. Let's become very successful again. Take care. See you next time. Bye.